Hello, and welcome to the LiamGrump Minecraft Beta 1.7.3 instance setup guide for MultiMC. I probably said that wrong, but that's okay. Of course, you can use many launchers for playing Minecraft. You can use the default Minecraft launcher, BetaCraft, MultiMC. I like MultiMC the best because, as you can see, if you go to Minecraft folder, each one will actually have their own .minecraft directory, which is really handy for separating things. You can also go here and you can check and uncheck different mods you have installed for compatibility. So it's very modular, and also it also has a lot of support for everything Microsoft and Mojang accounts. So whether you've migrated or not, have an older or newer account, you could use it. It should be able to work for everyone. I will include in the description all of the links to the mods, but of course for the video I already have them all ready to go over here. In case any of these links for the mods go down, I will include not a backup link, but a site you can go to download older mods. So if a mod link goes offline, check there first. That's also gone. Then you can comment down below and I'll see if I can, I don't know, upload a mirror somewhere. Anyway, let's get started. First you'll need BetaTweaks, 2b2p. That is found in the description, obviously, over here. Download the zip. Once you drag it in, you'll get some kind of error. Oh, it's back here. You should just basically just drag it in, click OK, and it'll create the instance for you. Sometimes when you download it from Google Drive, it'll be a zip within the zip, and you don't want that. That'll give you an error over here. What you want is to open up the zip and for it just to be a folder with all the pack information. That's what you want. If it's like a double zip nonsense, it will not work. I'm just gonna quickly change the picture to something. I can go and change the name, but I'm not going to. And you'll see in a second here that at this point it's already kind of set up. So if you really don't want to have any kind of bells or whistles, you can stop following the video now. I'll show you it mostly working. Yeah, so as you can see over here, I'm playing Minecraft Beta. In Minecraft Beta 1.7.3, I have skin. I even have my migrator cape because I migrated a couple days ago. That's all included here. But you will notice also no FOV slider. There's no, nothing to change texture packs in game. It's a little bit gross. So if you want to fix that, kind of like me, also go to multiplayer, only one thing, because it's BetaTweaks, that's included there. Let's close out of edit instance, and first we're going to install the jar mods. So click on version, and these are actually all just jar mods that are already pre-installed on this version, which is good. So you want to go install Optifine now. So any of these will work. With my configuration, I found that the anti-aliasing one works the best, but I know people who also use standard and multi-threaded, so just download the zip, add to Minecraft.jar, Optifine. There we go. And that's as much as easy as it is. Add to folder. You also need Modloader and ModloaderMP. So open those. You also will need GuiAPI. These are all dependencies, by the way, for like Reis Minimap and BetaTweaks and things like that. Yeah, so GuiAPI and also Reis Minimap I would install. Okay, so that's good. Something else I'm going to install as well, because I prefer it, is the simpleSkinFix. This one. There already is a simpleSkinFix already installed with this instance, but I prefer using one from him. He's kind of a trusted, kind of an old school, I guess, Minecraft modder. He'll do a lot of stuff for different packs for legacy Minecraft mods and versions, so I personally trust the skinfix that he gave out, but use another one if you want. Something else I'll include in the description too that I won't actually be turning on, but I'll leave in the description. These are just kind of two backups, I guess, in a way. So the beta evolution, some servers will make you use for beta authentication, since there's no login servers anymore for old Minecraft. And the FOV mod, just in case what we're going to install in a minute doesn't work, which is BetaTweaks. I'll leave these unchecked, and in case you need to have a skin fix or that they're kind of BetaTweaks beta evolution's authentication, you can check that. If the FOV isn't working, you can check this one, but leave these off for now. Go to loader mods, add, and it's already there. So you're gonna want to do for the loader mods first, BetaTweaks, and then right underneath it, I'm gonna install HowManyItems, which just shows you the crafting recipes for older stuff in case you forget. And yeah, close out of that. Let's just double click on here. So you can notice now that when you go to multiplayer, it's kind of a more classic Minecraft multiplayer screen. Let's just quickly change the FOV and also change the GUI scale to normal. Let's just go in here and change some settings. So performance, I'll put it on max FPS, debugging on. Most of these settings will kind of be your personal taste, but you know, whatever. The only thing that won't be is in animations. I turn lava to either dynamic or off for the animation, just because if you don't, then sometimes with the texture pack I like to use, which is included on this, the bubble, we'll also try to use the old lava texture, and it won't work unless you do that. Fov Mod settings, BetaTweaks, and over here you can just enable the escape menu texture pack. Controls, because I like to use old Optifine, I'll change my zoom to L control, but you can use C as well. As you can see when you log in game now, have the skin, migrate to cape, because obviously I migrated a little bit ago. You can see that there's now the minimap on the top. You can click X to see it in full screen. I actually made a waypoint already in this world, so I'll show that there. Look at M, you can change the settings on here. Yep, L control I changed to zoom in. Yep, cape, skin. Overall pretty good, and if you have any kind of blocks, you can drag these out like that, which you actually could not do in beta before if you didn't have the BetaTweaks. Lots of texture packs, so now you don't even have to log out, you can just change them here. Yeah, and FOV and everything. And also, if you're so inclined, you can go to the play multiplayer. Instead of direct connect, you'll have this right here, but add server, and you can actually just go in here and add a server. Alright, so the address is mc.retromc.org, click OK, and then you can see it's right here, and you can log in. And yeah, now I'm on my world on my Minecraft beta server I usually play on. That's just the nickname of the mod. It's not actually Notch, don't worry. But yeah. Yeah. That's it.